Welcome to your daily meditation time for the harmony between healthy habits and financial prosperity. Having a regimented life, maintaining healthy habits, greatly helps the well-being of the body and mind. We are a set of these two. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our meditations and tips for an abundant financial life. Ready to get started? Find a quiet spot, sit comfortably, and close your eyes. Let's start by finding inner peace. Inhale deeply, and exhale. Feel the energy flowing through your body, relaxing every muscle. Now, visualize the healthy habits that are transforming your life. See yourself exercising, eating a balanced diet, and taking care of your mind and spirit. Imagine the vitality and energy this brings to your day-to-day life. As you cultivate these healthy habits, remember that financial prosperity is intrinsically linked to your health. When you invest in yourself, you open the door to financial success. Visualize the opportunities for financial growth that arise when you're healthy and energized. See the doors of abundance opening, providing you with financial peace and freedom. Now, bring that feeling of financial prosperity and health into your day. Keep these habits healthy and know that wealth will follow. When you're ready, open your eyes and start your day with confidence, determination, and the knowledge that healthy habits and financial prosperity go hand in hand. Remember to subscribe to our Wealth and Prosperity channel for more tips and insights on how to achieve financial prosperity through healthy habits. Thank you for meditating with us today. Have a prosperous and healthy day. Peace and prosperity.